Hey guys, today we're doing Dragon's Riches. Here's the progressives, pretty high. Free play, $10 a machine. We're gonna do $5 all the way. Wish me luck. Here we go. We need 3 or more of those Dragon Ball Z's, or 6 or more coins. This might be a quick session if we don't get any bonuses. Hopefully we do get something. Come on. Do it, yes, thank you. At least we got a bonus. We're in free play. Let's go. Kinda excited. Do it. Dragon. Oh. Okay, it lined up. How much? Ooh, nice. Freaking piggies. Oh! How much? Nice. Retrigger? Yeah, not bad. Can I get a coin bonus, please and thank you? What a beautiful coin. Come back. All your friends. Surprised I still have free play. Come on, give me a coin bonus, please. Two more. Do it. Oh, that was it. Sorry. That's what I got with my free play, minus the $5 that I just played. Thank you. I'm gonna cash out and put it back in and play the $31. Alright. Oh, it didn't even go in. Alright, let's go. I want my coin bonus. Got like 2 more spins left. Alright, one more. Alright. If I continue playing, you'll see. If not, thanks for watching. What a jerk. Alright, dang, what is this? I don't even know what that is. It's like $2,000 or I don't even know, but that looks like a really high number. That would have been nice to land, to hit. Okay. Look at this bowl. My last spin too. Let's go. Good. Oh, finally I got a coin bonus. Thank you. I'll take a mini. Come on, anything. 250. Not bad. 3 backup spins. Alright, so I put an extra 100 in there, close to 900. Let's go. 5 and 7. You could have given me that. What a jerk. That would have been nice. Oh, thank you. Do it. Oh my gosh. Wow. I tried. Alright, I gave in, guys. I put in an extra $100 and doing 250, 5, and 750 bets. Come on. Anything. Come back, blue. This would have been real nice. Okay. Do it. Shark face. Alright. Really? Really on a 50-cent bet though? Oh, nice. Why couldn't this be on a 7.50 bet? I'm still grateful. I'm still grateful. Alright, one more spin.